Hello, and welcome to a quick tour of TestCafe Studio. TestCafe Studio is a cross-platform IDE for end-to-end web testing. It provides advanced features like Visual Test Recorder, auto-generated element selectors, and comprehensive reports that help you to test web apps fast. TestCafe Studio works anywhere on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and in every popular browser. It doesn't require WebDriver or other tools. You can install it in a couple of minutes and start testing right away. Creating tests is easy and fast. You can create, edit, and maintain end-to-end tests with a visual recorder, which means you don't have to code. To record a test, just click this button. TestCafe Studio will record your actions and save them to the test. You can view or modify the test contents in the test editor. You have access to it both during and after the recording. The editor allows you to reorder and delete actions or change their parameters. To identify page elements, TestCafe Studio uses selectors. You won't need to write the selectors yourself, they're generated during the test recording. For each page element, TestCafe Studio produces a set of selectors, so you can pick the one that fits you best. To check if the tested website works as expected, TestCafe Studio provides a set of assertions which allow you to perform different verifications. End-to-end web tests sometimes can be flaky. Typically, this is fixed by adding timeouts to wait for page elements to appear. However, with TestCafe Studio, you don't need to manually add timeouts. There's a built-in waiting mechanism that automatically checks that page elements are loaded during the test run. This helps you save time and get stable tests. Created tests can be run in all popular browsers: desktop, mobile, and cloud, the ones with UI or headless. TestCafe Studio determines available browsers and adds them to the list of run configurations. You can modify these configurations as you need, select desired browsers and options that affect test execution. To run tests, just click the Run button. TestCafe Studio will run tests in all the selected browsers in parallel. After the tests finish, TestCafe Studio provides a report with overall results and details for each test. These details include failed actions data, links to these actions, screenshots, and so on. You can sort, group, and filter the data. Also, you can view the report in various formats and export it. TestCafe Studio is made for users of all skill levels. The visual recorder allows creating tests without expert knowledge of JavaScript. For those who like to code, TestCafe Studio provides a powerful code editor with syntax highlight, code completion, parameter hints, and so on. You can write code from scratch or convert recorded tests to JavaScript code to edit them later. Download TestCafe Studio for free and start testing your website today.